Hi friends, this is an unboxing video of Tactris Orge. Let us cling together PlayStation Portable. Connects teens. On the side, PSP Tactris Orge. Let us cling together. And UMD. On the back, some description of the game. One player. Memory size 224 KB to save the game. Okay, let's see what's in the box. This is the membership card. This is the booklet which you will get according with it. Contents, the index, and getting started, some maps, description, settings, data install, ending the game, large booklet. Okay, this is the UMD. So you can see I am recording with 5th generation iPod Touch. This is the video of unboxing of Tactris Orge. Let us cling together PSP. Comment, rate and subscribe.